Julie?
When she's helping Alice Evans because she wanted to.
Alice Evans needed to pee. She knew it. She saw Alice Evans in discomfort, and she volunteers to do what? Go ahead.
To be her bathroom.
To be her bathroom partner. I gotta go to the bathroom, right? It's just a gift to Alice Evans, who is too shy to go to the bathroom on her own, even though she's in 6th grade. Okay. Then I asked you to circle what you thought were the 2 most important words, or maybe a phrase, in it. So I'm gonna go ahead, Sarah.
I put feel and moment.
Feel and moment. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with feel. Okay. Tell me what you think about feel. What are your thoughts about why that's an important word?
When you said that empathy means like when you actually could feel what the other person's feeling, she could relate to what Julia was feeling because in that moment she also felt as if like she knew that was the stare that she also gave Sal, and she knew how it was to miss a friend.
What are your thoughts about it? Why was it important to you?
Because like she's starting to realize something that like she's actually mean.
Help anybody. She wants to do something about it.
Ooh, okay, so she wants to stop not doing anything and become what?
She wants to become a better person.
Okay. And I want you to put a star next to the 2 best bubbles. Okay. Look at what you've done. Star. Raise your hand if you are partner A. Raise your hand if you are partner B. Okay.
So she does not have another friend to walk home to. I think the first one is better.
Filling out a board full of bubbles was really, really easy, and they were psyched. They liked the process. You could see them sort of light up. I felt like I had full engagement, and you know, when we filled the board, they were all panicked about wanting to take a picture. I thought that was a great sign because they're not rotely copying it down because they were busy coming up with ideas. And I heard from a couple people that I do not normally hear from, which I thought was fabulous. So that was great. Translating that into their own work, I think they found hard, but again, maybe also because they were also learning that some quotes are better than others.